Today I'm going to try Google's new toy, which is the Multimodal Live API with Gemini 2. You have three options: talk to Gemini, show it through webcam, and it will give you some feedback, and share your screen. I'm going to do share your screen, and in another video I'll do show Gemini. I've never used it. I've got plenty of questions to ask it. So let's see how that pans out. Let's go. Hello.
Hello there. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Yes, I have some question, if you don't mind, to try to understand what you can and cannot do.
Sure, I'd be happy to answer your questions about my capabilities.
Okay,
What would you
so
like to know?
the first one I'm interested in is, can you type things for me?
I can't type things directly into your system. However, I can generate text that you can copy and paste. Would that work for you?
So if I was to ask you to transcribe something, you would be able to type the text in this window and then I can copy paste it somewhere else, right?
Yes, that is correct. I can transcribe audio and then provide the text output that you can copy and paste wherever you need it. Is there anything else I can do for you today?
Yeah, I've got another question. I've got plenty of questions actually. Can I teach you something by making you watch videos? Like for instance, on the screen, you have tutorial for a software called Infranodus. If I ask you to watch the videos, can you then take me through the use of Infranodus?
I am unable to watch videos or process them to teach you how to use software. However, I can still answer questions about my general capabilities. Is there something else you would like to know?
Do you know SEO? Do you understand the concept of SEO?
Yes, I understand the concept of SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. It involves techniques used to improve a website's visibility in search engine results pages.
Right,
Do you have any
right.
specific...
So if I show you any website and ask you to do an SEO analysis trying to identify the key keywords that they're trying to rank for, you would be able to do that.
While I understand SEO and its principles, I cannot directly access and analyze websites in real time to do a SEO analysis for you. However, I can explain the process and provide information to help you perform the analysis yourself. Is that helpful?
Yes, okay, that makes sense. If I show you a math equation, are you able to take me through the logic of solving it?
I can't visually analyze the math equation you're showing me, but I can help you understand the logic of solving it if you describe the equation to me in text.
Right, okay. What if I watch a YouTube video about solving a mathematical problem? Can you see that video, and can we try to work out a way for me to understand better how to solve the equation?
I'm unable to view videos, so I can't help you with that request. However, if you describe the mathematical problem to me in text, I will do my best to help you understand how to solve it.
Right. Makes sense.
Okay, is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, I have another question. So you are not able or allowed, should I say, to perform tasks directly. For instance, I can't tell you, can you please open that website for me?
I understand. Unfortunately, I cannot open websites for you. You will need to do that yourself.
So does that mean that you cannot interact with any softwares, any website, even Google products?
That is correct. I cannot interact with any software, website, or even Google products.
Okay, so what are the limits of your operation? Are you mostly a tool that I can talk to try to get information, and I can use what I have on the screen to use you to guide me on how to analyze things?
Okay, so you'd like to know the limits of my operation and how I can be a helpful tool, given that I can't interact directly with software or websites.
Correct.
Essentially, okay, I can do that. I can analyze the text and images you present to me and give you my interpretation or analysis of them. I can also answer questions based on what I see and hear. However, I can't interact with anything on your screen. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. Can you help me analyze the structure of a song?
Sure, I can help with that. I see that you're on the Google AI Studio website, and there are some options for audio output, which could be useful for analyzing a song. Could you tell me more about the specific structure you'd like to analyze? For example, are you interested in the verse-chorus structure or something else?
I'm thinking of, because I'm not very good in music, but I've always been interested in taking a famous piece of music, or let's say a pop song, and being able to dissect it entirely and understand how it was put together and why it was so successful. Is it something that either yourself or another Google tool can help me do?
Okay, it sounds like you're interested in analyzing the structure of a pop song to understand how it was put together and why it was successful. You're wondering if a Google tool can assist you with that. I think I understand. To clarify, are you looking for a tool that automatically breaks down a song's structure, or one that provides resources for manual analysis?
I think at first I'd like to exchange and talk with you or another tool that could present it simply in plain English. And then after that, if I want to pursue my goal of learning, maybe have recommendation on tools or softwares who can further enhance my understanding.
Okay, it sounds like you'd prefer to start with a conversation and get a plain English explanation of a pop song structure. After that, you'd like recommendations for tools or software that can further enhance your understanding, is that correct?
Yes.
Great, let's start with the plain English explanation. Pop songs often follow a structure based on repetition and variation. The most common elements you will find are the verse, chorus, and bridge. Would you like me to start explaining these?
No, that's okay for now. I'm just speedballing and thinking out loud.
Understood. Feel free to think out loud, and I'll be here when you're ready.
Super. Let me show you a website on YouTube. Let's take a random channel on YouTube. Let's say this one.
Okay, you're now on a random YouTube channel. It
Right.
seems you're ready to explore.
So let's
Okay,
look at this YouTube channel, Mr. AI, and I've selected his most popular videos. As you can see, a lot of views, etc., etc. Can you give me a sense of, according to you, what makes those thumbnails attractive to a potential viewer?
All right, you're asking me to analyze the thumbnails of the most popular videos on the Mr. AI YouTube channel and tell you what makes them attractive to potential viewers. I can do that. Based on what I'm seeing, the thumbnails often include a combination of a few key elements. First, the use of bold text with clear and concise messaging is present, often using all caps to create emphasis. Additionally, the inclusion of vibrant, eye-catching colors is apparent. The thumbnails also usually feature a picture of a person, often with expressive faces. Overall, they give a clear indication of the content of the video while also being attention-grabbing. Does that make sense?
That makes sense. I'm looking at this YouTube channel, Mr. AI. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see the Mr. AI YouTube channel.
Excellent.
It has a
excellent.
purple banner, and
Yeah,
the channel
that's
name
right.
and handle are visible.
Yeah.
Do you have any
that's right.
specific questions about this channel?
Yes. So, is this channel is in the making money online using AI niche, and one thing that is often used in this niche on YouTube is to add monetary values either on the thumbnails or on a title. For instance, here you can see make $13,000 monthly, and here you can see on the thumbnails on this one here there are two values, 27,115 and 17,1715. If you consider the first 12 thumbnails, are there that could be improved using that concept of adding value either on the thumbnail or on the text?
Okay, so you're asking if the thumbnails on this channel could be improved by adding monetary values to the thumbnails or titles. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, I understand. Based on what I can see in the video, some of the thumbnails on this channel already include monetary values. However, the style and placement vary. Is there anything else that you would like to discuss regarding this?
Do you think the placement of the monetary value is crucial? That monetary value needs to appear as soon as possible in a title and be totally visible and obvious in a thumbnail?
You're asking if the placement of the monetary value in the thumbnails is crucial, and if that value needs to appear as soon as possible in the title and be totally visible and obvious in the thumbnail. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, I understand. Based on what I see in the video, some of the thumbnails already do include monetary values. However, it does seem like they are not consistently placed or sized. In terms of best practices, placing that information clearly in the title or within the thumbnail itself may attract more viewers. Would you like to discuss this further?
No, that's okay for now. Thank you very much for your help. I'm sure we will be talking again in the near future.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you need anything else in the future.
So as you can see, there are some limitations to the system. Mainly, it can't click, it can't do actions that I would be able to do. It is a system that is able to recognize things and discuss subjects. But if you think this is a first step, this is pretty impressive. There aren't, as far as I'm aware, this might be the only tool that allows you to do that, and it's pretty impressive as a first try. I will try to use it again. I'm sure I will use it more and more, and I will post videos about my progress. I want to try to combine this with various other tools I use and see how far we can push its learning ability and how far we can push our capability to use AI to better our output, whether it be make money online, create videos, understand better, be better at learn better, develop new skills, etc. etc. I hope you found this video interesting, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.